Man, I am really into Asus lately. I'll tell you what, we just got a ZenBook Flip and now we have the ZenBook Max Plus. This was sent to us for review, and we don't know what the retail box is going to look like when we open it because it's a review unit, but it says WePhoto on it. I don't know much about that because this is an unboxing video. Let's crack it open for the first time. It's immediately there, but we're going to leave this off to the side for a moment so we can explore the contents, show you guys what you can be expecting to get when you get this device. You have some serial numbers. You want to hold on to that. Let's find the English one. Guila del Instinto Rapida. That is probably not English, so we have the English user guide here. We're not going to go through every one of these, of course, but we are going to show you the user guide so that if at any point in time you want to pause the video, there you are. Maybe I'll get my fingers out of the way so you guys can read it. Maybe if you lose your user guide or whatever the case may be, you guys can just kind of pick it up from here. Video's HD, should be able to figure it out. They give you a micro USB to full USB cable here, and then they give you a USB cable here. I'm not really sure why they went micro USB. This is a newer device than their older devices that are running USB-C, so I don't really know their mentality on that, but that's the way it is. You get a USB to wall adapter, and you get a SIM card removal tool. So the device itself is very nice. We're not going to show you full 360 on it. Well, here, I'll show you full 360. You get it? Done. Now, this is just an unboxing video, so we'll save that for the review. But I will say that they're boasting that this has a 5.7-inch screen on a 5.2-inch body. So to give you some perspective, this is a 5.2-inch screen and body. This Zenfone Max 3, and this one on the left here is the Zenfone Max Pro. So you can see they're roughly the same size, but the screen to body ratio is nuts on this. It is 80%, so that's really cool if you ask me. You can see me, it's really reflective. So everything that comes in the box is the USB, the host USB. Basically means you can plug this in and plug USB devices into it. Really cool. And the box itself right here, and don't forget the SIM card removal tool. And do I want to take this out? No, I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to show you it like that. SIM card removal tool and the USB port charger. So that's everything that comes in the box. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know, and stay tuned for the full review on this to let you know what it's all about. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.